Alright guys, this is a very capable 1080p high FPS or a 1440p 60 plus FPS gaming rig. It is for sale. It is $800, and here is a parts list and a video to let you see what is in it and the prices. It has a B550 Asus motherboard with a Ryzen 5 5600G processor, and it is overclockable, so is the motherboard, as well as a Gigabyte 660 XT graphics card, which is a very capable card. It also has 32 gigs of RAM, RGB. It also has a Thermal King CPU cooler with 4 heat pipes, and it is a very capable cooler of keeping this processor cool. This computer has a very good upgrade path. This is a hand built machine with lots of extras. It also has a 600-watt power supply, so you can upgrade to a higher graphics card if you like. It is not needed to do production work or video editing or streaming. This computer is capable of doing just about everything you want at an entry level. For the price of $800. It is definitely a good buy. These parts are all brand new and come with a factory warranty. If you have any problems, things can be replaced as I RMA them. Alright, if you would like to inquire about this PC, just shoot me a message on Facebook Marketplace or on eBay Marketplace or on Java Marketplace, as this will be the three places it is listed. Thank you.